Welcome to Business and Computation Analytics. In this video, I will explain about how to use Excel solver to solve the linear programming problems. Here you can see the problem faced by the Flair Furniture Company in producing two types of products, which is tables and chair. These two products contribute to the total profitability of the company. Table contribute $70 for each, and chair contribute $50 each. Each chair contribute. So from here, we can if we type in here that we produce only one table and one chair, and then we can find out the total profit that the company have by selling only one table and one chair by multiplying the unit produced with the objective function in this case, or the profit contribution for each table and chair. To produce table and chair, they have to pass through two production departments, which is the carpentry and painting. Each department require different time in producing those products. Table need 4 hours in carpentry and 2 hours in painting, while chair need 3 hours in carpentry and 1 hour in painting. So we can manage and write down like this in here. Consider the table is variable x1 and chair is variable x2 in this case. Then what we have to do to prepare for a calculation using the Excel solver is find out what is the left hand side and right hand side values. That is in hours. Left hand side value is a representative or the total hours spent in carpentry to produce the unit highlight yellow in here, to produce the unit of table and chair in here. So if we only producing one table and one chair, in here in carpentry, we just simply multiply the unit hours in carpentry for table with the unit produced plus the unit hour to produce chair multiplied by number of unit multiplied by here. So we got 7 in here. We can simply use the formula sum product. So we see sum product unit produced and carpentry. The same also we have to do the similar calculation for painting department. We do use the same formula sum product from the unit produced and painting. Okay, when we finish, and then our last work in here for preparation is to put in the RHS in this case, or right hand side. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. This is the capacity. It means the maximum capacity by the carpentry and maximum capacity in painting. So all is done now, and what we have to do is to set the to set the Excel solver. So we can access this one from menu 2 and then click on solver, and then what we have to do next is then we should set the objective. The objective of the company is to maximize the profit. So we should highlight which one the profit is, which is in here. And then let's move on. Choose max in this case. And which variable that we should change? The variable that we should change in this case, or we simply call it decision variable is the unit produced. So we simply pick out this variable, yeah, the unit produced in here, and then, yeah, as you may see in here, we select this variable, and then next is we have to determine the constraint. The constraint in this case, yeah, the constraint in here is the hours, number of hours that we should spend to produce the product, both of the product. So in here, yeah, we just simply, yeah, highlight that the left hand side ones, yeah, is less than, yeah, less than or equal here the right hand side one, because both of them having the same, yeah, same symbol left hand side. So I just combine this one to block this one, and then with the right hand side one I just block in here, yeah, and then click on OK. Then we have all the constraint in here. Next is, let's wait for the magic. Then we just select the solving method, yeah, GRG nonlinear. There are several actually. We can simply, by default, we simply use the GRG nonlinear, yeah, and then click on solve. Yeah, sometimes it takes a bit more time to have the answer, and then this is the answer. Then I just keep the solver solution. Okay, yeah, click on here, and then the company, the Flair Furniture Company, will maximize their profit when they produce 30 units of table and 40 units of chair. So I think this is the end of the explanation on how to use the Excel software.